Yo, Freedom Fam. Ever feel like your financial advisor is that overhyped VIP bouncer at a club who won't let you in without a $50 cover, then orders you the priciest cocktails? You're forking over 1–2% of your stash every year just for fancy mutual funds and secret commissions. It's like paying someone to microwave your ramen and charge you extra for the hot water. Today, we're kicking that fee-grinding gatekeeper to the curb and showing you the DIY path to stacking serious cash with broad index funds and dividend ETFs that won't stab you in the wallet. All right, level with me. 1% AUM fee sounds tiny, right? But on a 500K portfolio, that's $5,000 disappearing yearly. Over 30 years, that fee drag can slash nearly 25% off your final balance. Picture yourself racing Mario Kart while dragging a concrete block. No matter how many mushrooms you grab, you're stuck in slow-mo. That's the power of fees. And it gets uglier. Some advisors steer you into expensive mutual funds or closed-end funds where they pocket juicy commissions. Imagine rolling up to a used car lot. They shove you into a lemon, and they get paid on every lemon sale. Your returns? Squeezed out faster than toothpaste in a weight loss challenge. Not all advisors are villains. Fiduciaries are the knights in shining armor, legally bound to put your interests first. Broker-dealers? They're the fast food joints serving convenience at a premium. If you want an advisor, make sure they're a fiduciary. No upsells, no secret cuts, just straight-up guidance. Here's the secret sauce: broad-based index funds plus low-fee dividend ETFs. Vanguard's S&P 500 ETF VOO at 0.03% expense ratio. Schwab's Dividend Equity ETF SCHD at 0.06%. That's like brewing your own cold brew instead of dropping $5 a cup every morning. DIY investing equals baking your own sourdough. Sure, there's a learning curve and flour everywhere, but you save hundreds yearly. And bragging rights to your crusty masterpiece. Don't dump cash all at once. Automate weekly or monthly buys. It smooths out market roller coasters and keeps you disciplined, like sneaking cookie dough bites one spoonful at a time instead of face planting in the tub. Audit your fees, check AUM and fund expenses. Verify advisor status, must be fiduciary. Build core portfolio with VOO, VTI plus SCHD VIG. Automate contributions. Rebalance annually. No time to DIY? Use a robo-advisor with 0.25% fees that only picks low-cost ETFs. Or engage a flat-fee fiduciary. No commissions, no surprises. Firing your fee-hungry advisor isn't rude, it's self-defense. You're seizing control, keeping more returns, and paving a clear road to financial freedom. If this lit your wallet on fire in a good way, smash that like button, subscribe for more fire hacks, and drop your worst fee horror stories below. Stay cheap on fees and rich on dividends.